Welcome. First video. Here we go. Filming live from the bedroom studio. Not a very professional setup at the moment, but just keeping it real for now. So, why am I here? I'm here to welcome you initially to the channel. I've been trading and learning and watching markets for a while now, and I decided to start to document my journey because it's a good thing to do. I'm going to basically be posting videos about macro stuff, some of the crypto madness that's going on at the moment, and I've recently started trading futures through the prop firms, so I'm here for all of it and going to be posting some of my trades, portfolio allocations, what works for me and what doesn't. So yeah, I think that's the high level intro of what I'm going to be talking about, what the channel's all about. Something else that I'm going to be kind of delivering on some of my videos, not sure how often, but it's something I'm naming the Daily Dose of Alpha or the Daily Alpha Dose, either or. And yeah, it's going to be some stuff I've read, learned, or been told along the way that, there's all these people who've been in the markets all these years that can impart real wisdom on you on how to manage your trades and your mentality and everything else. But it was one thing hearing something, but it's another actually sticking to it and abiding by it. And so I'm hoping by sharing these things on the regular, it will help me with the repetition to actually start to adhere to them a bit more, and it maybe help some of you too. And fingers crossed, you can post in the comments any sort of alpha doses that you've learned along the way that will help me, which I'll again share along the way with everybody else. So, number one, daily dose of alpha, have a plan. Every trade needs a plan, entry, exit, and stop loss. Without that, you're not trading, you're gambling. It took me ages to take this seriously, and I still catch myself after all these years stepping outside of these rules sometimes. Doesn't matter if you're a scalper or a swing trader. To me, the structure is crucial. You have a plan, you stick to it, and you know what you're going to be kind of getting out of the trade. And yeah, it's just absolutely essential. Since I started setting these parameters and sticking to them, my results have improved massively. And yeah, I will be reporting on my results, my sort of strategies that I'm following, and hopefully it will make it more clear on what I'm talking about. But yeah, number one, have a plan and stick to it. I thought I'd chuck this little clip in of a trade where I kind of outline a plan.
What's up? So just entered two trades on the S&P and the Nasdaq. Could well be losers. There was quite a big drop from the. I'm going to readjust these because I'm trying to reduce 255. Oof. It's quite a significant drop. Not sure what happened. Couldn't see anything in the news. They both bounced off the previous day point of control. Entered, got two contracts on the Nasdaq, and one at the minute on the ES. So you can see they've both hit point of control, bounced off these fairly high volume nodes around here at the moment, and Nasdaq is looking good. Going in for the quick win, is it? Oh. And the S&P seems to be also bouncing here. It's a tick away. No. Anyways, got to stick to the system. Trade is planned, win or lose, let it play out. I'm a little bit worried about this S&P trade I've got going on here because we're talking a significant bounce from where I entered, which was 6341, which is just above the POC, all the way up. I mean, I think I've set my trade target 6346, which is just below the after hours POC. Um, yeah, I don't know if that's an achievable target, but it was quite a big drop in quite a short period of time, and it tends to be a bounce after these, but could bounce continuously down. So we'll see how that plays out, but I'll keep you posted. We'll try and capture the closeout of these trades, win or lose. We're back in. Nasdaq is reaching again. Oh, and it's pulling away again. Would just mention, just so everybody's aware, these are combine evals that I'm trading at the minute. Arguably, you could say I don't know. It's taken me a little while to desensitize myself from the leverage with futures trading. Um, I'm hoping once I pass these evals, I will continue to follow the strategy, whether I, you know, win or lose. It's one of those daily alpha doses. Have a plan, have your entry, exit, stop loss, know what you're risking, and stick to it. It's easier said than done, tell you that.
Not quite sure what happened here. The camera froze, but anyways, the Nasdaq trade closed out as a win, and the ES trade I closed out just above break even because I had to drive to Liverpool.
Trade closed. Boom.
So that's it. That's what I wanted to cover. That's the intro video. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully, if you're into markets, macro, and a bit of mindfulness, you'll consider sticking around. Maybe subscribe at some point in the future, comment, or just lurk in the background. Either way, appreciate you being here. Thank you very much, and catch you in the next one.